also getting the cake, so okay lang. Instagram lang muna tayo.
Oh, wait lang.
And our hashtag for today's event
Yes.
is EverydayGretchen.
Hashtag EverydayGretchen, guys.
Okay.
Please repost.
Against the light, no?
You want me to go there? I'll go there. Para maganda, marunong ka mag-take. Minsan lang sila kakanta for me. It has to be right. Or si ano, where's Jericho? Oh, he left. Paano yan? Wala pa?
Yes,
Binivideo na kita.
Binibidyo ka na? Wala pa yung cake? Ay, teka lang.
I remember that.
Yes, sir. Sinuot ko lang para maalala ni Miss Gretchen. Hindi ko nalinis eh.
Dali na any store. Libre lang.
Ah, okay. Sige pa.
Wala pa yung cake.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Again.
Oh, you have to realize.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everyone.
What's your wish?
My wish is that we all will be very happy. We all leave this room with Karat World jewelry. Of course. Nice wish. Of course.
The wish will be grand.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Got to